Hello everyone, welcome to Nation Innovation. In this video, we'll see how to make an IoT based home automation project. We live in an exciting time where more and more everyday items or things are becoming smart. Things have sensors and can communicate to other things and can provide control to more things. The Internet of Things or IoT is upon us in a huge way, and people are rapidly inventing new gadgets that enhance our lives. IoT based home automation project is done using low cost ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. It uses relays and few simple components. We can control 4 electrical devices and also monitor temperature. ESP12 is a low cost module we are using here. So the components required for this project are ESP12 Wi-Fi module, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, a PB2 connector to accept the AC input, a 5-volt power converter module, and a 4-channel relay module. So this is the schematic of the project. Here in this port we'll have the AC input. The AC input will be connected to 5 volts through this module, HLK module, and the output of this module will be given to the node MCU and the relay module through these junctions. These two junctions are to make connection to the relay module, and this is the DHT sensor. This is the PCB design for the project. Now let's see how to create a Firebase project. Search Google Firebase in Google. Click on the first link. Create a new account or log in to Google Firebase with your Gmail ID. Then go to console. Click on add project. Enter your project name. Select continue. Continue again. Select default account for Firebase, create project. After the project is ready, click on continue. Go to settings, project settings. Go to service accounts, database secrets. This is the authentication key for our project. Let's open it. Copy this key and paste it in your Arduino code. Now again go to Firebase. Now go to real-time database. Create database. Enable. So this is the host name for our project. Let's copy it. And paste it in the Firebase host. Remove the slash and HTTPS. Add your Wi-Fi ID and password here. And then save your code. Now let's compile the code. After compiling, upload the code in the node MCU. Now for the Android application, I've prepared an app in the MIT App Inventor. This is the link. Enter this link into your web browser and create an account using your Gmail ID. So this is the Android app that I've prepared using number of horizontal arrangements and labels and buttons for the operation to turn the equipments on and off. These are the buttons, and these light, fan, TV are the labels. In the non-visible components, I have added Firebase. In Firebase, here you have to add the Firebase token and the Firebase URL that we have already added into the Arduino code. You have to copy and paste the same in here also. Now to save this application in your computer, go to My Projects, export selected project or .aif file to your computer. To save the .apk file, go to Build, save the APK file to your computer. So this is the PCB for the project. It's the bottom layer, the top layer, From here we'll have the AC input. Here we'll connect the power module. Here we'll connect the node MCU. This is for the DHT center, and this will be given to the relay module. And here we have a 10K resistor. So these are all the components to be used in this project. This is the PCB board. This is the power module, the 5-volt power converter. These are the LEDs to be connected at the output for testing the circuit. This is the DHT sensor. This is the 10K resistor. This is the node MCU, and these are the ports where the node MCU will be mounted on the PCB. This is the 4-channel relay, and this is the junction from where this PCB is going to be connected to this relay module using these wires. So this is the circuit after making all the connections. This is the power module, the node MCU, the DHT sensor, resistor, the junction where the PCB is connected to the 4-channel relay module, and the output of the relay module is given to the 4 LEDs. In place of these LEDs, we can connect any 4 appliances also. And this is the final working of the project.